Our world is changing, and the pace of this change is accelerating. Cities are growing at an unprecedented rate, transforming landscapes and altering ecosystems. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, casting long shadows upon bustling streets below, a testament to human ambition and engineering. The air is thick with exhaust fumes, a constant reminder of our reliance on fossil fuels, which power our cities but pollute our skies. Traffic clogs the arteries of these urban sprawls, creating a daily struggle for millions of commuters. Noise pollution, a cacophony of human activity, drowns out the natural world, making it hard to find a moment of peace. This is the reality of many urban environments today, where concrete and steel dominate the horizon. The relentless pursuit of progress has come at a cost. Our planet is hurting, and the signs are all around us. The very air we breathe is laden with pollutants, jeopardizing the health of millions, especially the most vulnerable among us. This is not a sustainable path. We cannot continue to exploit our planet's resources without considering the consequences. We must find a better way, a way to live in harmony with nature, not in conflict with it. Urban green spaces and community gardens offer a glimpse of what is possible. The Earth provides us with everything we need, but its resources are not infinite. We must cherish and protect these natural gifts. We must learn to tread lightly upon this planet, to respect its delicate balance, and to adopt sustainable practices in all aspects of life. Our future depends on it. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. In stark contrast to the concrete jungles we've built, there exists a world untouched by the relentless march of human progress, a world where nature thrives in its purest form, untainted by the hands of man. Forests, vast and ancient, stand as silent guardians of our planet. These green giants have witnessed the passage of time, standing tall through centuries, providing shelter and sustenance to countless species. Trees, reaching for the sky, act as natural filters, cleansing the air with every breath. Their leaves capture carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the air we breathe fresher and healthier. Rivers, like veins of silver, course through the landscape, sustaining life along their banks. These waterways are the lifeblood of ecosystems, nourishing plants and animals alike. Here in the heart of nature, a symphony of life unfolds. Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, plays a role in this intricate web of life. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of sweet melodies. Each note is a testament to the thriving biodiversity that calls these forests home. Animals, large and small, roam freely, their lives intertwined in a delicate dance of predator and prey. This balance is crucial for the health of the ecosystem. The air is clean and crisp, a welcome respite from the pollution of our cities. Breathing in this fresh air rejuvenates the soul and reminds us of the simple pleasures of life. This is the earth in its purest form, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. It is a sanctuary, a place where we can reconnect with the essence of life. It is a reminder of what we stand to lose if we fail to address the challenges facing our planet. Protecting these natural wonders is not just a duty, but a necessity for our survival and the well-being of future generations. The Earth's climate is a complex and interconnected system. For millennia, it has remained relatively stable, allowing life to flourish. The stability is maintained by a delicate balance between the energy received from the sun and the energy radiated back into space. This balance is regulated by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. These gases act like a blanket, trapping some of the Earth's outgoing heat and keeping our planet warm enough to support life. Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth's average temperature would be a frigid -18 degrees Celsius. However, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are disrupting this delicate balance. We are releasing vast quantities of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, effectively thickening the Earth's insulating blanket. Imagine a greenhouse, its glass walls allowing sunlight to stream in, warming the plants within. The glass also prevents heat from escaping, creating a warm and humid environment ideal for growth. This, in essence, is the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases act like the glass of the greenhouse. They allow sunlight to reach the Earth's surface, but they trap the heat radiated back from the warmed planet. This trapped heat is causing our planet to warm up, leading to a cascade of changes in our climate system. The more greenhouse gases we pump into the atmosphere, the more heat is trapped and the warmer our planet becomes. This is not a natural fluctuation, it is a direct result of human activity. The consequences of our actions are becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. Section 5, global warming, turning up the Earth's thermostat. The Earth's average temperature has risen by about 1 degree Celsius since the late 19th century, a period that coincides with the Industrial Revolution and our increasing reliance on fossil fuels. This may seem like a small change, but it is already having a profound impact on our planet. Glaciers and ice sheets are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. Oceans are absorbing vast amounts of heat and carbon dioxide, leading to acidification and harming marine life. We are witnessing the consequences of our actions unfold before our very eyes. The Earth is sending us a clear message. We must change our ways. The time for action is now. Section 6, a world unbalanced, the impacts of climate change. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and interconnected. Rising temperatures are disrupting weather patterns, leading to more extreme and unpredictable events. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, posing serious risks to human health, particularly for the elderly and those with underlying health conditions. Droughts are becoming more severe and prolonged in many regions, leading to water shortages, crop failures, and increased wildfire risk. On the other hand, some areas are experiencing more intense rainfall and flooding, causing damage to infrastructure and displacing communities. The delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems is being disrupted, threatening biodiversity and the services that nature provides us, such as clean air, water, and food security. Section 7. Rising tides, shrinking coastlines, the reality of sea level rise. As global temperatures rise, glaciers and ice sheets melt at an accelerating rate, adding more water to our oceans. This, combined with the thermal expansion of water as it warms, is causing sea levels to rise. Coastal communities around the world are already experiencing the impacts of sea level rise. Erosion is eating away at shorelines, homes are being lost to the sea, and saltwater intrusion is contaminating freshwater sources. Low-lying island nations are facing an existential threat as rising seas swallow their land. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change projects that sea levels could rise by up to 1 meter by the end of this century, and even more in the centuries to come. This would displace millions of people and have devastating economic consequences. Section 8. A brighter future. Solutions for a changing world. The challenges posed by climate change are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the ingenuity to transition to a more sustainable future. We must rapidly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and transition to cleaner sources of energy, such as solar, wind, and geothermal power. Investing in energy efficiency and conservation measures can significantly reduce our energy consumption. Protecting and restoring our forests is crucial, as trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agricultural practices can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions from the agricultural sector. Section 9. Our collective responsibility, a call to action. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a global crisis that affects us all. The impacts are far-reaching, touching every corner of the globe and every aspect of our lives. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the food we eat, and the homes we live in, nothing is untouched by the effects of climate change. It is a threat to our health, our economies, and our very way of life. Natural disasters are becoming more frequent and severe, putting immense strain on healthcare systems and economies. Communities are being displaced and livelihoods are being lost. But it is also an opportunity to come together as a global community and create a more sustainable and equitable future. By working together, we can innovate and implement solutions that not only address climate change, but also promote social and economic justice. Every individual has a role to play in addressing this challenge. Small actions, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. Simple changes in our daily habits can make a significant difference. We can make conscious choices in our daily lives to reduce our carbon footprint, such as using public transportation, cycling, walking, and carpooling. These actions not only reduce emissions, but also promote healthier lifestyles. Reducing our consumption of meat and dairy products can also have a profound impact. Plant-based diets are not only healthier, but also require fewer resources to produce, leading to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Supporting businesses that are committed to sustainability is another crucial step. By choosing to buy from companies that prioritize eco-friendly practices, we can drive demand for sustainable products and services. We must demand action from our leaders, urging them to implement policies that promote clean energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices. Advocacy and civic engagement are powerful tools in the fight against climate change. We must support businesses and organizations that are working towards a more sustainable future. By investing in green technologies and sustainable practices, we can create jobs and stimulate economic growth while protecting the environment. The time for complacency is over. We are at a critical juncture, and the actions we take now will determine the future of our planet. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. We owe it to future generations to act responsibly and with foresight. Let us act with urgency, determination, and a shared commitment to creating a healthier, more sustainable world for ourselves and for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a brighter future for all.